How to remove phone number from Facebook. If you want to protect your phone number from being seen by anyone on Facebook, this video is for you. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To get started, first navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down a bit until you locate settings and privacy and click on it. A drop-off menu will appear. Continue to tap on settings. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then make sure to select Meta Account Center. After that, continue to tap on profiles. Then make sure to select the account that you want to remove the phone number from. In this case, is this one. Then on this interface, continue to scroll down a bit until you locate personal details. Then with this selected, it's going to redirect us to an interface like this. Make sure to select the first one, which is contact info, and there you are. You can now be able to remove your phone number by simply clicking on it. Then continue to tap on delete number. That is it. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.